Guess what we have?
Pic-A-Watt multi-wattage heaters. That's what we're going to talk about today. Our premier line of residential heaters. It includes 3 categories of products. It includes small fan heaters, large fan heaters, and even the unit heaters as well. And they all 3 of those categories share one key component, and that is the industry-changing Pic-A-Watt steel fin multi-wattage element, right?
Yes, this is the incredible element. The original driver for this Pic-A-Watt heating element, believe it or not, was to help assist electrician in sizing a heater to that space. That was the real challenge. Even if they knew how to properly size the heater, giving them the ability to carry one heater in their truck that covers almost every application was really a critical improvement in the way we build heaters. They will always show up to the job with the right heater, and that's really important. They don't have to drive back to the electrical house and come back if they have the wrong size heater, because before they were all dedicated wattage. You couldn't adjust them in the
so you had to know which heater to bring to the job before you got there.
A lot of times you had no idea, and so this is really a time saver.
On the element itself, we show a 500, a 750, and a 1,000-watt heating element. And just by pulling off 1 or 2 of the wires, you can change it to 1250, 1500, 1750, and 2250 watts. So with all those different wattages, you can go from a living room to a bedroom or even a bathroom in a very small space and have the correct wattage for your application.
Interesting that I found interesting was how easy it is to stock the Pic-A-Watt series heaters. Now that not only applies to the original PAW heater, but our full line of Pic-A-Watt heaters. And that actually now includes about 10 different unique product families. What do you got, Brad? 5 heaters on the 120?
Yeah, the 120 has got 5 different wattages in it, and the 240 volt there that has 7 different wattages. So really that gives you 12 heaters in stock.
Yeah, you only have 2 SKUs to stock and you're covering 12 different wattages, which is pretty powerful. When we get to the large fan heater,
now that's with 2 of the Pic-A-Watt heating elements side by side.
Yeah, so that's 13 heater selections with only 2 SKUs that you have to stock. Our KB series is 1 SKU.
Yeah, you've got 6 different wattages in one heater, up to 6 kW. So
absolutely. So to summarize, with those 3 heaters, we actually have 5 SKUs that cover 31 different wattage combinations. Really will cover any application. Innovation comes out of Seattle.
We're good.
I'm excited about this next part. We talked about it. We had 10 series of products in the Pic-A-Watt family. I love options.
I know. Yeah. Our standard Pic-A-Watt you saw there, which is very popular right at the top of the heap there. You can add this grill to it called the Ultra, and it's a floating louver design made for those areas where you want something more elegant. And a lot of times these downtown condos and stuff love to pay for the upgrade. And then
how do we improve that?
We unleash the power of the Pic-A-Watt and add some electronics to the right there. And you can, it regulates the 2-stage and gives you extremely accurate control.
Yeah, let's talk about that right now. That particular heater is our PX Eco.
Yep.
And it comes with this. What is this little guy?
That's the egg. That's the remote sensor. So wherever you are in the room, it's going to keep that temperature exactly where it needs to be, rather than by the heater.
So no more cold spots in the room.
Nope.
It's gonna balance the
space. You
go
sit at that cold spot and it's going to be a warm spot now.
Also comes with the remote control, so you can control it from your couch. Be very lazy. So that Comfort Crafts, the PX series heater, which one we're showing is the electronic one, also available without that thermostat. You can use it with a wall stat. We call that the Comfort Crafts series. Same type of approach that we took with the LPW. Curved front grille, available in 4 designer colors, mix and match. What about the architectural? Let's talk about that one first.
The architectural. Yeah, the one on the far left is our LPWA, which is an architectural heater, which is used in entryways and vestibules where you've got cold air coming in. And so it has a very clean look, and it doesn't look like there's any controls on it, but there is. And then the one right next to it is the vandal resistant one with the all the holes in it there. And
what's that good for?
I tell you, it's good for a bat. You can.
Oh, look, I have a baseball bat.
Hey, perfect.
So you were saying this is good for areas high traffic where there's unruly people around,
right?
It might be carrying baseball bats. We're going to test that out. I mean, that is one heck of a solid piece of steel.
That's 3/8 steel right there, and it's going to put up with a lot of abuse. So great for parks and recreation areas. places. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that. That's the real one. Hey, with customer wants that.
Yeah. Frustrations out. Yep. I love this.
The end result is with 3 heaters, you've got a stocking distributor.
Powerful.
Yep, powerful.
All right.
The power of the Pic-A-Watt. Thanks, guys.